Very good. Release the pressure. Again back to Udyan Bandh. Relax for few breaths. Udyan Bandh is that Vriddhopi Tarunayate. One who practices Udyan Bandh, the old person will become young. What it indicates? The ornamental language is used in yogic texts to motivate the practitioner. The health of the abdominal organs will such at the old age, like if we start practicing, the health of abdominal organs will be like a young person. That is the literal meaning. Let us move ahead. Let us see the another practices in Nauli. Again, they will go for Udyan Bandh. Now we are going to see is Dakshina Nauli, projection of right recti muscles. Udyan Bandh. Relax. After the projection of right recti muscles, now we will see the projection of left recti muscles. Udyan Bandh. Only they are going to project the left recti muscle. They are applying the pressure on the left thigh. Back to Nauli, back to Udyan Bandh. Relax for few breaths. The recti muscles. Just now we have seen Dakshina Nauli and Vama Nauli. Now we are going to see the Sanchalan. Marching left, right, in Udyan Bandh. Start friends. Left, right. This is Nauli Sanchalan. Marching of recti muscles like a soldier. Relax. Now let us see the rotation of the rotation. First we are going to see clockwise rotation. Friends, go in your own flow. A tremendous mind, body and breathing coordination is required. Keeping the breath out. In Udyan Bandh, they are performing all the activities. What a control is required? Relax. This will also improve the mind, body and breathing. They are able to project and manipulate the recti muscles in all the directions. Anti-clockwise. Well done friends, keep it up. Relax. They are not stopped here. Further they have mastered in this practice. Now they are shown separately Nauli Chalan clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. Now they are going to show clockwise and anti-clockwise in one Udyan Bandh. Ready friends? Go in your own flow. They will be performing 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. Fantastic. Well done friends, keep it up. Relax. Friends, now we are going